Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome back to the channel. If you're looking to make money online, Amazon is one of the biggest platforms that can help you do just that. But you might be thinking, how do I get started? Well, don't worry, because in today's video, I'm going to show you how to make money from Amazon. Step by step in 2025, let's dive in. Section 1. Amazon FBA, fulfilled by Amazon. First up, let's talk about Amazon FBA, fulfilled by Amazon. This is one of the most popular ways people are making money with Amazon. Basically, you source products, send them to Amazon's fulfillment centers, and then Amazon takes care of the rest. Storage, shipping, and customer service. All you need to do is find a product, get it at a wholesale price, and let Amazon handle the logistics. You can sell anything from gadgets and clothing to home goods or even private label products. The key is finding a profitable niche, and Amazon will help you with the rest. Many people make 6 figures annually just by using FBA. Section 2. Amazon Affiliate Program. Next, we have Amazon's Affiliate Program. If you don't want to deal with physical products, this one's for you. With the Amazon Affiliate Program, you can promote Amazon's products on your website, blog, or social media and earn a commission on every sale made through your unique referral link. For example, if you have a tech blog, you could write reviews about the latest gadgets and then link to them on Amazon. When someone clicks your link and buys the product, you earn a commission. It's that simple. You can earn anywhere from 1% to 10%, depending on the product category. Section 3. Kindle Direct Publishing, KDP. Another way to make money on Amazon is through Kindle Direct Publishing, or KDP. If you have a knack for writing, this is an awesome option. With KDP, you can publish your own ebooks and sell them directly on Amazon. It's completely free to publish your books. And once your book is live, you'll start earning royalties every time someone buys or downloads it. You can write fiction, nonfiction, self-help, or even cookbooks. The possibilities are endless. Some authors make a full-time income just from royalties. Section 4. Amazon Merch on Demand. Now, if you're creative, Amazon Merch on Demand might be your sweet spot. This is Amazon's print-on-demand service. You design custom t-shirts, hoodies, mugs, or any other merchandise. Upload your designs to Amazon, and Amazon will handle the production and shipping. The cool part is, you don't have to worry about inventory or shipping. Once someone buys your product, Amazon prints it and ships it for you. All you do is design, and you earn a royalty every time your design sells. It's a great way to make money passively, especially if you've got a creative side. Section 5. Amazon Handmade. If you're an artist or crafter, Amazon Handmade is another awesome option. With Amazon Handmade, you can sell your handcrafted goods directly to Amazon customers. Unlike other platforms, Amazon Handmade is specifically for artisans. So if you make jewelry, home decor, or custom products, you can sell them directly to an Amazon audience that's interested in high-quality, handmade items. It's an excellent way for creators to reach millions of potential buyers. Section 6. Amazon Self-Publishing Audiobooks. One more option for authors. If you're into audiobooks, you can use Amazon's Audible to publish and sell your audiobooks. Many authors are now converting their books into audiobooks and reaching even more people. Once you publish on Audible, you'll earn royalties each time your audiobook is sold or listened to through a subscription. With more people listening to audiobooks than ever, this can be a lucrative opportunity for authors. So, there you have it. 5 ways to make money on Amazon in 2025. Whether you're interested in selling products, becoming an affiliate marketer, or even publishing books and designs, Amazon has opportunities for everyone. The best part is that you can start with little investment and scale as you grow. Choose what fits you best, take action, and watch your online business grow. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more awesome business tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.